In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Proton Mail account on Chrome for enhanced storage and features, a process that will take us through a few straightforward steps. Whether you're looking to keep more emails in your inbox or access additional features, upgrading your Proton Mail plan is a seamless process when approached correctly. First, let's start by opening your Chrome browser and logging into your Proton Mail account. If you don't have your login details handy, take a moment to retrieve them so you can proceed without interruption. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your inbox, which is the dashboard from where you can manage all your emails. Now, what you need to do is look toward the top right corner of the interface where your profile icon is located. Go ahead and click on the icon, which will reveal a drop-down menu containing a variety of options. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Upgrade. This is the option that will lead us to the next part of the process. Selecting Upgrade will redirect you to a page highlighting the different plans Proton Mail offers. Here, you have a selection to consider, but for today's tutorial, we're focusing on the Plus plan. The Plus plan is an excellent choice for those seeking increased storage capacity and additional features that will enhance your email management experience. Once you've decided on the Plus plan, click on it to move forward. This will take you to the payment page, an essential step in finalizing your upgrade. It's important to have your payment details ready at this stage. Whether it's a credit card or another form of payment, carefully enter your payment information, double-checking that all details are correct to avoid any disruption or delay in processing. After you've entered all the required information, you'll need to confirm your upgrade. This action solidifies your decision to enhance your email service with the Plus plan. Once the payment has been confirmed, you'll notice that your account storage and features are enhanced almost immediately. This is one of the perks of upgrading with Proton Mail. The changes are effective without any downtime, allowing you to start utilizing your newly available features right away. And there you have it. Upgrading your Proton Mail account through Chrome is a simple and efficient process. By following these steps, you can optimize your email experience, benefit from larger storage, and access new features in no time. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and makes your Proton Mail experience even better. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy emailing!